Viewer discretion advised.
Alright, which one of you lot set up the alarm clock? Especially on daylight savings time, too.
Hey, what's the idea of waking me up when I'm asleep?
Well, don't you remember, Petey? Today's the big day. Now come along. Chop, chop. You know better than that. Slacking around. Such a shame. Now come on, let's get out of bed.
Hey fellas, you know what I'm in the mood for? A nice plate full of eggs and bacon.
Really, is that so? Well, I don't have any eggs and bacon if I only had my ration card. Hey, Bryce! Hey, Bryce! You know, if we only had some more of those spices back in the kitchen cabinets, we can test out my new invention. Listen, Dougie, that gadget of yours better work. And if Cowboy Sonny finds out that we spent his money on your invention, he'll basically kill us all.
I've got an idea. Maybe there's some store-branded peppers laying in the fridge.
You know, you make a fair point there, lad. Right. Now, if we're gonna compare which is the spiciest, go get the Ultra Mega Pepper.
I'll do it when I'm good and ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Now listen, Dougie, we gotta convince Cowboy Sonny that invention of yours really works. Keep your gloves on! It's gonna work, Bryce! What do I look like, an idiot?
Here's the Ultra Mega Pepper.
Okay, open her up. 'Cause what good would a spice game be without a pepper shaker? Oh no. Gesundheit. Hey Bryce, that's the doorbell. Well, just go get it, stupid. It's probably Cowboy Sonny. What's poppin', mate? Never mind that stuff. I purchased you guys a bag of carrots. Now I want my money. Oh, ungrateful, huh? Well, put him up. Put him up, you big palooka. Now, simmer down, Sonny. We've got everything taken care of. Come in, have a seat. Yeah, simmer down, boy. Say, how would you guys like to play the spice game or something, huh? Oh, it's on, brother. Certainly! Well, you're in luck, because I went to get some hot, scorching spices from your local Taco Bell right here. Hey, I like where you're going with this. Now you're cooking with gas. Now then, Sonny, before we give you your money, we want to give you a chance to lose. I mean, invest in the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
It's Dougie's new invention, the flamethrower on wheels.
Oh yeah? What does it do? Oh, trust me, it's the ultimate creation. If you ever want to start a campfire, the flamethrower on wheels will be your answer. You get all kinds of Michael Bay-styled explosions with that thing. That sounds pretty heavy, man. Hey, what do you mean pouring hot sauce into a jalapeno that big? Well, what can I say? Let the game begin, huh? Always want to go for the spiciest? Here goes. Go on, you water-soaked weasel, get the machine! Now listen, Sonny, don't worry about a thing. You're gonna love this. I guarantee that. Hey fellas, help me out here. Now watch carefully, Sonny. You put the spices in here,
And it goes round and around.
and it comes out here. Quiet. You guys better know what you're doing. Don't worry about a thing. Now then, contact!
Contact!
Contact!